Are you tired of your sticker prints looking dull or unprofessional? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Brother WorkSmart 1360. Let's kick things off with the Brother WorkSmart 1360. Priced at $109.98, this all-in-one inkjet printer caught my eye with its sleek design and multifunctionality. If you want a reliable home office printer that produces vibrant sticker prints, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has a fast printing speed of up to 16 pages per minute in black and 9 in color, so you can whip up those sticker sheets quickly. With a 150-sheet paper tray and a 20-sheet automatic document feeder, you won't be interrupting your workflow every few minutes to reload paper. Plus, you can easily print from popular cloud apps like Google Drive and Dropbox, making it super convenient if you work digitally. Now, some people complained about the cost of replacement ink cartridges. Here's the thing though, while it can add up, the quality of the prints and the convenience of the features make it worth it if you're serious about your stickers. This is perfect for you if you need a multifunctional printer that can handle various tasks and produce high-quality sticker prints. Skip this one if you're looking for a printer specifically for large-scale commercial sticker production. For the price, you're getting solid value. Now, if the Brother WorkSmart's ink costs concern you, the next one takes a completely different approach with its refillable system. Product number 2, Canon Megatank G3270. The Canon Megatank G3270 retailing at $159.99. This printer stood out to me because it boasts a huge ink reservoir that lasts for up to 2 years of printing, which is pretty impressive. If you want to print stickers without the constant worry of ink running out, this is worth a serious look. With the ability to print up to 6,000 block and 7,700 color pages on a single set of inks, you can create tons of stickers without breaking the bank. The Megatank system allows for easy refills, so you won't have to deal with the mess of traditional cartridges. Plus, it supports wireless printing, making it easy to get your designs from your computer or phone to the printer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The borderless printing feature means your stickers can go right to the edge, which is crucial for a professional look. Now, some reviews mentioned that the printer is a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you have the space, the output quality and the low running costs make this a non-issue for most users. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or small business looking to print stickers in bulk without high operating costs. Skip this one if space is a major constraint in your workspace. For what you get, it's a great investment for quality sticker printing. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want an eco-friendly alternative. Product number 3, HP SmartTank 5101, priced at $189.89. I was really impressed by its promise of up to 2 years worth of ink included right out of the box. If you want a printer that keeps you printing for ages, this is worth a serious look. With its innovative refillable ink tank, you can enjoy thousands of pages of cartridge-free printing. This is a game changer, especially for sticker enthusiasts who want to avoid frequent shopping for cartridges. The HP SmartTank also features borderless printing, which is essential for getting those stickers just right. And with its user-friendly setup and operation, you're not going to waste time figuring things out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The mess-free refill system means you can replenish ink without making a mess or fuss. Now, some users have reported wireless connectivity issues with wireless printing. Here's the thing though, if you're using a stable network, most won't experience this, and it's still a fantastic option for home use. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable printer that simplifies the refill process and reduces costs over time. Skip this one if you need a compact design, as it does take up a bit of space. In terms of long-term value, it's a smart choice for anyone serious about sticker creation. Now, if you're looking for something more portable and specifically designed for labels, the next product might catch your eye.
Product number 4, Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer by Canon. which you can snag for just $43.65. This compact printer really surprised me with its ability to print high-quality labels. If you need a portable solution for your sticker label needs, this is worth a serious look. It supports thermal labels ranging from 1.5 to 4.2 inches, making it perfect for a variety of sticker sizes. The high-speed printing capability of up to 180 millimeters per second means you won't be left waiting around for your labels, which is crucial for busy small businesses. Plus, it works with a wide range of platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify, so you can integrate it into your existing workflow seamlessly. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Bluetooth capability means you can print right from your smartphone, which adds a layer of convenience. Now, some users have mentioned the need for a specific app to connect with their devices. Here's the thing though, once you're set up, the ease of use and portability far outweighs any initial setup frustrations. This is perfect for you if you run a small business and need a compact, efficient labeling solution on the go. Skip this one if you're looking for high-volume sticker printing, as it's more suited for labels than larger stickers. For the price, you're getting excellent value. Alright, that was a handy option, but the last product on my list really rounds out our selection with professional features. Product number 5, Bluetooth Thermal Shipping Label Printer by Tonex. Priced at $56.63, this one caught my eye with its strong performance for small businesses. If you want a reliable label printer that can keep up with your sticker needs, this is worth a serious look. This thermal printer supports a variety of label sizes, including the popular 4x6, and can print at a speed of 72 labels per minute. That's huge if you're shipping out stickers in bulk. The compatibility with multiple operating systems, including iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac, makes it versatile for any workspace. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-resolution prints ensure your labels look sharp and professional. Now, some users did mention it can be a bit tricky to set up initially. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial hurdle, the performance and efficiency you gain are totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you need a fast, reliable solution for printing shipping labels and stickers. Skip this one if you want a printer that can handle larger, more complex designs, as it's more tailored for straightforward label printing. For its price, it's a great option for small business owners. We've explored a range of printers, from the Brother WorkSmart 1360, perfect for versatile use, to the Canon Megatank G3270, which shines in ink efficiency. The HP SmartTank 5101 offers a unique refillable option, while the Caneon and Tonex label printers are great for specialized needs. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Canon Megatank G3270 because of its incredible ink savings and high print quality.